Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, February 19th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, if you notice, I left a line in here that says previous monthly balance high. That's the previous all-time high in ES. They made an all-time high today, but by less than 3 points. So, for now, I'm still going to say in ES that the monthly and weekly is still in balance, and they slightly stretched it so far. Okay? I'll call them up on the daily. So ES, SPY, and SPX did hit all-time highs today. So did triple Qs again. But NQ is nowhere near their all-time high still. They're 100 and somewhat points away from it. It's up at 450. Today's high is 300, so 150 points away. So again, I do believe they'll get it because they should be the leader, not the ETF. However, they haven't gotten it yet, so they're still balanced on the monthly and the weekly. I'll call the daily up for both of those. Righty goes out with a 9-wide POC and an afternoon pullback in H. They're balancing everything. Monthly, weekly, and daily. NQ goes out with an afternoon pullback in H, and that's it. NQ failed multiple times to hold trend up. Okay, they actually tried to go trend down also early today, which failed. ES goes out with an afternoon pullback in H, and that's it. They also failed to hold the trend day up. The market attempted to spike above I's high in ES and in NQ, but they failed. They failed to hold it. So again, yes, we made an all-time high, and again, it's impressive, but it's still only stretching it. Also, once again, our range is the 7th smallest of the year, and our volume, very well, good odds, will be in the top 10 lightest. So February is quickly replacing January with these smallest ranges and lowest volumes. Had a decent day today. Did okay. Had 3 losses on the day, but still did well. First trade of the day, I took a long in ES against the overnight low to front run it. I ended up taking it off for break even. Could have held it. If I held it a little longer, could have made something, but ended up breaking even on it. Then I did get the staple plays in NQ. Took the short to get the overnight low. I didn't do them with 5s. I did them with 3s today. Took the short to get the overnight low in A. I did some decent shorts against the 144 and the ebb and flow in NQ, especially once we get the overnight low, even though at the time value was overlapping a higher by a little bit at that time. B period, I missed A's low. Just didn't get it. I missed it when they finally got it, but I did have a decent B period with some ebb and flow shorts because now we had the overnight low. We were one time framing down. So I was looking for those shorts on any pushes up. I lost in C period because they did start with trend, and I took a single print, a short against a single print fill. Thought we might get a responsive push back down. It didn't. Took that off for a loss. D period. I took the long to get the IBI. That worked out. Then I took the short in ES against the base of the price probe in D today. Against yesterday's, right? We had a price probe late. We opened way below it. So I thought there's a good chance now that we come back up and we had the overnight low, it fails up there. Now, I took it off. I only lost 1.5 points on it. And at that time, then we ended up going trend. In F period in NQ, I took a long against a single print fill again. Took that off for about an 8-point loss. So those are 3 losses on the day. But then the last 4 trades I did okay on. I took a short in G I'm like, you know what? I don't think they're going trend after failing again. That worked out. Same thing in I. That worked out. Now, J period, they did go trend, but didn't hold it. I did make money, though, on a small ebb and flow long in J. And then in L, I took another long in NQ because I was at the time using I as as a possible price spike base. I made like 4 or 5 points off it, and then I didn't do it again, as obviously it came in pretty hard. So it was an okay day. Again, ranges, nothing great for either one of them. Volumes, not good at all either. So as far as destinations, our all-time high right now is 66.50 in ES. Our afternoon pullback is 40.25, and today's low is 29.25. In SPY, the all-time high is 613.23. The afternoon pullback is 610.65, and today's low is 609.56. So again, we talk about markets don't go bull bear and vice versa. So we had been bull Thursday, continued bull Friday. Yesterday came back to balance. Remember I said it's a 2-day balance. We went bull, balance, and on the daily, back to bull. But on the monthly and weekly, we need more extension than this for me to call both the monthly and the weekly up. And then on the chart, now SPY looks different because they've gotten more extension, right? So on the SPY chart, you can call the monthly up. Also on the weekly, you can call it up. But in ES, I need more extension. And then on the daily, it's up just like ES is. 29.5 million on the tape. So once again, you are going to be in the top 10 lightest volume. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we will speak prior to the opening tomorrow.